The products showcased in the slides are conceptualized based on initial specifications. It's important to note that the features discussed may or may not be included in the final release versions, and the anticipated release dates are subject to change. Furthermore, all specifications mentioned are subject to potential adjustments without prior notification.
Welcome to our overview of Geovision products for 2024. In this webinar, we will introduce new and exciting products designed to meet the ever-changing security landscape, as well as updates to our existing software. Our webinar will be split into two main categories, hardware and software. We will start with new hardware, which includes IP cameras, SNVR, access control and custom hardware solutions, before exploring our software solutions. The R-series cameras come in a variety of form factors. These cameras have built-in AI analytics, including support for our AI active deterrence feature, allowing the camera to trigger an audible alarm and flash its built-in red and blue LED lights upon an AI event, taking proactive action to deter possible criminal activity. The SNVR12700 is a 12-megapixel super low-lux fisheye camera that comes with a built-in microphone and speaker. It is IP66 rated and can be installed outdoors. It also supports fisheye dual ping when used with the SNVR256G0N. SNVR256G0N is a standalone NVR solution that supports 256 IP camera channels and up to 12-megapixel cameras. It features 4-channel HDMI display outputs, 16 SATA HDD hot swap bays and supports RAID 0, 1, 5, 6, 10. Remote monitoring is available through the GVI app, Edge Recording Manager and Control Center. The SNVR256G0N supports AI analytics and face recognition functions when used in conjunction with the recommended Geovision R-series AI cameras and fisheye dual ping when using Geovision fisheye models and third-party fisheye cameras integrated via OnVIF. Here is a list of AI analytics and face recognition functions supported by the SNVR256G0N when used with R-series AI cameras. Please note, AI functions will also be supported in the future with UA AI cameras. TMS8800 is a dual-sensor 8-megapixel super low-lux camera. It features a 2-camera-in-1 housing design. Both lenses are 3-axis adjustable for flexible installation and video monitoring. The camera comes with built-in AI analytics and is IP67 and IK10 rated. Here is an example of a TMS8800 installed in an L-shaped hallway. Normally you would need 2 separate cameras to monitor each end of the hallway, however, with the TMS8800, you can accomplish this with just one camera by adjusting the lenses to point to each hallway, ultimately resulting in cost savings for the customer. The RMS32810 is a quad-sensor 32-megapixel super low-lux camera. It features 4 motorized lenses for 360-degree field of view, built-in AI analytics and is IP67 and IK10 rated. The lens's pan and tilt can be manually adjusted as needed so that no camera lens is wasted when wall-mounting the camera. This camera is ideal for monitoring wide expansive areas such as parking lots, playgrounds and stadiums. Here is an example of the 4-lens camera view in the daytime. Here is an example of the 4-lens camera view in the nighttime. The GPTZ4810 is a 4-megapixel super low-lux mini PTZ camera. It features a motorized lens capable of 3 times optical zoom. The camera has built-in AI analytics and is IP67 and IK10 rated. The main advantage of the GPTZ4810 is its small footprint. Compared to other PTZ cameras, the GPTZ4810's small size allows for it to be installed in space-restrictive areas or places where discrete video monitoring is desired, such as nursing homes or casinos. The addition of the GPTZ4810's versatility to our PTZ lineup makes it even easier for customers to find the perfect PTZ camera for their specific needs. The GEBF2802 is a 2-megapixel super low-lux dome camera. It has built-in AI analytics and is IP67 and IK10 rated. This camera is part of our full-color series cameras which have a built-in white LED, capable of providing a color picture even in low lighting conditions. Additionally, the camera supports our Smart Supplement Light feature, allowing the camera to turn on the smart LED only when a person is detected and automatically switch back to the built-in IR LED when the person leaves the camera view. The GBLF2802 is a 2-megapixel super low-lux bullet camera. Like the GEBF2802, it has built-in AI analytics and is IP67 and IK10 rated. It is a full-color camera that also supports the Smart Supplement Light feature. Here we see the Smart Supplement Light feature in action. On the left we see the camera uses IR LED for regular video monitoring. Once a person is detected in the camera's view, the camera's white LED automatically turns on to provide a full-color image even in low lighting. The Smart Supplement Light feature reduces light pollution and is great for cameras installed in residential areas where an always-on white LED can be bothersome. GBL12811 is a high-resolution 12-megapixel super low-lux bullet camera. It features a motorized lens, built-in analytics and a built-in microphone. The camera is IP67 and IK10 rated. The 3D People Counter V3 features a dual-lens 4MP camera, is IP66 and features built-in I/O to trigger alarms when a preset occupancy limit is reached. It supports children counting, target height filtering and human head detection for enhanced counting accuracy. The device is able to automatically generate counting reports and sync counting data to GVAI server and GVWeb report software for data compiling and chart analysis. For access control we have a couple of new readers. The SRK1356 is a card and pin code reader that can read both 125 kHz and 13.56 MHz frequency access cards. The reader supports Weekend and OSDP for enhanced security between the reader and controller via AES-128 encryption when using RS-485. There are two new face recognition panels. First is the 3.5-inch Mini FR panel. It has a face capacity of up to 3,000 faces, liveness detection and supports a wide range of authentication modes to meet the different needs of customers. Next we have the 7-inch FR panel V2, this supports a face capacity of up to 10,000 faces, masked face detection and an optional built-in QR code reader. Like the Mini FR panel, liveness detection and multiple authentication modes are supported. The FR panel V2 will replace the existing FR panel V1 once released. Here is a side-by-side comparison chart of the FR panels. The main differences are the touch panel size, face capacity, masked face detection and the face recognition distance. For license plate recognition we have a new LPR camera, the LPR2812DL, which has a built-in deep learning LPR engine for accurate recognition results. It is a 2-megapixel super low-lux bullet camera with a motorized lens and is IP67 and IK10 rated. Smart Gate Control is a gate controller that uses multi-factor authentication and GV Cloud integration to enhance the security and streamline the driver and vehicle inspection process. It comes with a built-in FR panel V2, 4G cellular router, 6 PoE ports for PoE devices such as IP cameras and supports two-way audio intercom with live view and playback function via GV Doorman viewer. Here is an example of the Smart Gate Control in action. The driver first approaches the Smart Gate Control and initiates the verification process by scanning a QR code containing the driver's face, name and license plate information. The Smart Gate Control captures the driver's face and vehicle license plate, then compares them to the system database for authentication. If the QR code information matches the driver and vehicle information, the gate is open to allow access. Here is a screenshot of the Doorman Viewer user interface. On the top we have the event list showing a list of events occurring at the Smart Gate Control. On the bottom right-hand side we can see a snapshot for each event. On the bottom left we see the camera live views from the Smart Gate Control's built-in FR panel and any overview cameras on site. In summary, the Smart Gate Control simplifies and enhances the security of the driver and vehicle inspection process. Its ability to connect to GV-Cloud and GV-Doorman Viewer for live monitoring and two-way audio make it easy for remote monitoring and management, reducing the need for on-site personnel. The Smart Gate Control is outdoor rated and can be customized based on the customer's needs. Next we have our Solar Box system. The Solar Box system converts solar energy captured from connected solar panels to power the built-in 4G cellular router, PoE switch and Cloud Bridge Pro for a mobile and energy self-sufficient surveillance solution. The Cloud Bridge Pro features a built-in SSD for local video recording and allows the Solar Box system to be remotely connected to GV Cloud for remote monitoring and management. Users can also connect a battery to the Solar Box system for power storage and monitor the real-time charging and battery status online. This is a structure diagram of the Solar Box system. Solar panels power and charge the battery connected to the Solar Box system, while the built-in PoE switch can be connected to PoE-capable devices such as IP cameras, IP speakers, and lights. The cameras then connect to GV Cloud remotely through the Cloud Bridge Pro and 4G cellular router's internet connection. The Solar Box system's small footprint and solar power capability make it highly mobile, ideal for short-term sites where the cameras occasionally need to be relocated or where power access is limited, such as construction sites or outdoor events. Here is a Solar Box system we installed in a car in Taipei. The solar panels installed on top provide the power and charge the batteries throughout the day, storing enough power so that the system remains operational even at night. Cameras are pole-mounted on top of the car, which can be parked anywhere for remote video monitoring. On the top left quadrant we have the GBL4911 cloud camera running people and vehicle detection and syncing the results to GV Cloud for AI search. The top right quadrant is a GPTZ4810 Mini PTZ camera that enables us to adjust the camera angles at will and provide an overview of the car and solar panels. The bottom two quadrants are from the dual sensor TMS8800, which provides us with a roughly 200-degree field of view, capable of monitoring the entire street block.